How to make a pollination game. You will need 2 paper cups, 2 spring-type clothespins, the wooden ones will work best, some stiff paper or lightweight cardboard, like a recycled file folder or a cereal box, 2 equal sets of 5 to 10 tiny items in 2 different colors, like pom-poms, beads, popcorn kernels, beans, or even balled-up aluminum foil. You'll also need some drawing paper, some markers, crayons, or paint, some scissors, and some glue. Step 1. Make or find 2 small pictures of pollinators, things like bees, butterflies, moths, or hummingbirds. You can draw your own, use stickers, find pictures online, or cut them out of a magazine. Step 2. Glue the pictures onto the cardstock. Next, cut them out and glue them onto the clothespins. Step 3. Cut several slits, equally spaced apart, down the sides of each cup. Stop cutting about 1/2 inch from the bottom. Step 4. Carefully fold down each section and trim the ends to form curved flower petal shapes. Step 5. Color the cups to make them look like flowers. Step 6. Separate the small objects by color and type and place them in the cups to represent the flower's pollen. Step 7. Use the pollinator clips to move the pollen from one flower to the other. Now you can play by yourself, take turns with someone else, or have a race to see who is the fastest pollinator.